Welcome to the third part of my video. I have brought a brand new video for you guys again. Watch it in HD quality. It is a completely fresh video. You would not have found such a video in HD quality on YouTube yet. Method of tying silk scarf in 7 ways. I will teach you step by step. Wherever you are not able to understand, you can pause the video and watch it. I am telling you in a very simple way, see? I am telling you in 7 ways in the latest way. Watch the video and understand. Try it on yourself and see how it looks. It will look awesome. It will look very beautiful.